And by the way, about a third of all cancers are thought to be due to diet and lifestyle. One third of cancers. All right. We ought to be able to dodge, but you got to start early.
Meet Dr. William Lee, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor, researcher, and president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, who has significantly contributed to medical science. His work has led to more than 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He is also a New York Times best-selling author with Eat to Beat Disease, the new science of how your body can heal itself. Recently, he published a new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer.
Yeah, well, so my book does talk a lot about weight loss and foods that have been shown in human research that allow you to lose weight.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. Lee, we will unveil 5 smoothies renowned for their cancer-fighting and fat-burning properties. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes, requiring us to pay more attention to our dietary choices to combat health risks. Discover the power of these smoothies in improving daily life, reducing the risk of developing cancer and preventing excess fat accumulation. Number 1. The metabolism-boosting Spice Fusion Smoothie.
And the reason pears are so great are the fact that they've got chlorogenic acid, which is a bioactive, also found in apples, that can actually activate your metabolism and help you burn down harmful body fat. And chlorogenic acid is also anti-angiogenic, means it actually stops blood vessels from growing to tumors. Pretty cool.
Starting with pears, renowned for their cancer-fighting and fat-burning capabilities, this pear smoothie incorporates a selection of ingredients that deliver a multitude of health benefits. Pears, beyond their delightful sweetness, are packed with essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining good health.
So an average pear has got about 5 or 6 grams of dietary fiber per pear, and a study from MD Anderson showed that just having that amount of dietary fiber can lower the risk of tumor progression or death.
Additionally, pears contain various antioxidants that protect your cells from the damaging effects of free radicals, thus potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. Next, we add bananas to the mix, celebrated not only for their natural sweetness, but also for their rich content of potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Potassium is vital for maintaining proper heart function and regulating blood pressure. Vitamin B6 is essential for metabolism and brain health, while vitamin C boosts your immune system and acts as a potent antioxidant to shield your body from illnesses. Ground ginger, another key ingredient, enhances this smoothie with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But what makes it promote cellular regeneration and overall well-being? Gingerols, the active compounds in ginger, have been studied for their effects in inhibiting cancer cell growth and boosting metabolic rates. Ginger also promotes digestive health and can help alleviate nausea, making this smoothie a great choice for those with sensitive stomachs. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk serves as the creamy, low-calorie base of this smoothie. Rich in vitamin E, it helps protect your skin and cells from oxidative stress. Being naturally low in sugar and high in healthy fats, it's an excellent option for weight management. To elevate the texture and nutritional profile further, we recommend adding a tablespoon of rolled oats. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber, promoting satiety and aiding in weight loss. They also contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber known to reduce cholesterol levels and enhance heart health. To prepare this delicious and nutritious smoothie, you'll need 1 peeled, cored, and frozen pear, 1 ripe frozen banana, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and optionally, a tablespoon of rolled oats. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. For an extra touch of flavor and a hint of warmth, garnish your smoothie with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy this blend as a part of your morning routine or a midday snack to energize and nourish your body. Number 2. The antioxidant-rich orchard blend smoothie.
Will Lee here. I'm in the produce section again, and I'm in front of a whole bunch of apples and pears. Look, I love apples. You've heard of the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, this apple actually gets this doctor right here to actually pick some up because I love their crispy, sweet taste. Now, what's in an apple that's good for you? Chlorogenic acid. Chlorogenic acid lights up your metabolism by burning down harmful body fat. In the skin of an apple, by the way, is something called ellagic acid. And you got to wash it really well anyway. But if you want one that doesn't have pesticides, get an organic apple, which will have more ellagic acid in the skin. Guess what that does? That protects your stem cells and lights up your metabolism. One more apple fact. Apples are one of the highest sources of a natural bioactive called procyanidin. Procyanidins light up your brown fat to burn down harmful fat. Again, good for your metabolism 3 ways, and also helps protect your stem cells to help regenerate your body from the inside out. What's not to like about this? Go for an apple a day.
As Dr. Lee mentioned, apples are fantastic for burning unhealthy fats and protecting your stem cells. They include quercetin, a powerful compound that offers strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. How does quercetin protect your cells? It actively combats free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative damage and potentially warding off chronic diseases like cancer. Pears, discussed previously, are also featured in this smoothie. Like apples, pears are excellent for fighting cancer and aiding in fat loss. They are low in calories, yet high in fiber, and teem with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and copper, enhancing their cancer-fighting capabilities. Another key component of this smoothie is oats. Known as a nutritional powerhouse, oats are rich in fiber, especially beta-glucan. This type of fiber is celebrated for its ability to lower cholesterol levels, bolster heart health, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as colon cancer. The fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management and preventing overeating.
What if I told you that you probably have a powerful ingredient for burning fat and improving your metabolism in your pantry right now? I'm talking about cinnamon. And you probably think about cinnamon as a powder that you sprinkle on top of hot apple cider or an apple pie. But cinnamon is actually the bark of a tree, and it comes rolled up in a stick called a quill. Cinnamon has more than 20 different bioactives that can influence your metabolism, and one of them is called cinnamaldehyde, which can trigger your brain to release a hormone that fires up your brown fat, and this can improve your metabolism. A clinical study from India showed that cinnamon can improve blood glucose, shrink waist size, and even reverse metabolic syndrome. What's a dose? The researchers showed that the effects were seen with just half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day.
Cinnamon, more than just a delightful spice, rounds out the flavor profile of this smoothie while offering significant health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, specifically polyphenols, which have been studied for their anti-inflammatory properties and their potential to protect cells from damage. To create this antioxidant-rich orchard blend smoothie, you'll need 1 fresh apple, 1 fresh pear, a 1/4 cup of oats, and a dash of cinnamon. Start by washing and chopping the apple and pear into smaller pieces, making sure to remove the core and seeds. Place the chopped fruit into your blender, along with the oats and cinnamon. Next, add 1 cup of your preferred liquid base, such as water, unsweetened almond milk, or low-fat yogurt, depending on your desired consistency and taste preferences. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy, which should take about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the power of your blender. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you would like to see more videos featuring recipes, let us know in the comments below. Number 3. Citrus Detox Power Smoothie.
Hey, Dr. Will Lee here. I want to show you something that's just over my shoulder. Look at this pink grapefruit. Now, you want to know grapefruit? It is limonene. Limonene has been shown to activate your brown fat using thermogenesis to help you burn down harmful white fat. So if you want to actually improve your metabolism...
As Dr. Lee explains, grapefruit is a citrus powerhouse that contains limonene, a compound with impressive cancer-fighting properties. How does limonene aid in cancer prevention, you might ponder? Well, it stimulates the production of enzymes that detoxify carcinogens, potentially lowering the risk of various types of cancer. But the benefits of grapefruit don't stop there. This tart and tangy fruit is also rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative stress and supports the immune system. In addition to its cancer-fighting properties, grapefruit can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. It is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Studies suggest that compounds like naringenin in grapefruit may help regulate insulin levels and promote the breakdown of body fat. Pineapple, another key ingredient in this smoothie, is a tropical fruit packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Pineapple includes bromelain, an enzyme recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties and its potential to enhance digestion. Studies suggest that bromelain may also help in preventing the growth and spread of cancer cells, making pineapple a beneficial component of a cancer-fighting diet. Bananas, the third ingredient in this smoothie, are a great source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. The fiber in bananas helps promote feelings of fullness and aids in digestion, while vitamin C supports the immune system and helps protect cells from damage. Potassium, an essential mineral, plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and supporting heart health. To make this refreshing and detoxifying grapefruit smoothie, start by gathering your ingredients: the juice of 1 grapefruit, 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, a ripe banana, ice cubes, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup for natural sweetness, and 3/4 cup of your choice of non-dairy milk or Greek yogurt for a creamy texture. Begin by adding the grapefruit juice, frozen pineapple, banana, ice cubes, maple syrup, and your chosen liquid base to a blender. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also add a small piece of fresh ginger or a dash of cayenne pepper for an extra kick of flavor and potential metabolism-boosting benefits. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy, which should take about 30 to 60 seconds depending on the power of your blender. Pour your grapefruit smoothie into a glass and enjoy the invigorating combination of tart, sweet, and tropical flavors. Number 4, Root Renewal Morning Smoothie.
But it turns out when the research I've done shows that not only do the carrots have cancer-starving properties, but the activity in the carrot tops is twice as high. But don't throw away the carrot tops. Eat them, cook them, make them into a pesto.
Rich in beta-carotene, carrots provide this nutrient which the body transforms into vitamin A, essential for healthy skin, eyes, and immune function. More importantly, beta-carotene serves as a robust antioxidant, combating harmful free radicals that can damage cells and potentially lead to cancer.
Dr. Will Lee here at a farmer's market. Pop quiz. How many carrots do you need to eat to activate your metabolism each day? Have an answer? Let me show it to you. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Clinical studies have shown.
Apples, another vital component of this smoothie, contribute their own cancer-fighting abilities. As mentioned earlier, apples are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Bananas, a staple in many smoothie recipes, provide a natural sweetness and creamy texture to this drink. They are also a good source of resistant starch, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, supporting a healthy microbiome and aiding in digestion. Clementines, the smallest member of the citrus family featured in this smoothie, pack a powerful nutritional punch. Like other citrus fruits, they are high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Clementines also contain flavonoids, such as hesperidin and naringenin, which have been studied for their potential anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects. To create this root renewal morning smoothie, gather 1 cup of grated carrots, 1 medium apple, cored and roughly chopped, 1 frozen banana, 1 small clementine, peeled and segmented, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of your preferred liquid base, such as unsweetened almond milk or low-fat yogurt. Add all the ingredients to your blender and blend until smooth and creamy, which should take about 30 to 60 seconds. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy the delightful combination of sweet, earthy, and citrusy flavors, knowing that you're nourishing your body with a powerhouse of cancer-fighting and fat-burning nutrients. Number 5, Tropical Antioxidant Essence Smoothie.
Strawberries have also been shown to actually improve your metabolism. And what's really interesting by eating strawberries is that although strawberries can be sweet, when they measured blood sugar, eating strawberries in a way to improve your metabolism not only decreased weight and waist size and lowered weight and decreased body fat, it also didn't raise blood sugar. So this whole idea, another kind of like common idea that's kind of like a paintbrush idea. Don't eat fruit. It's got too much sugar in it. It's got too much fructose. It might kind of sound like it makes sense at a casual level, but the science actually doesn't show that. And the reason is that the bioactives in the strawberry activate your body, so it starts to burn down the bad fat. Okay, so you can actually metabolize even faster.
Dr. Lee's insights into the cancer-fighting properties of strawberries are truly fascinating. These vibrant red berries are renowned for their potent combination of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, ellagic acid, and anthocyanins. Ellagic acid is especially noteworthy for its ability to protect DNA from damage and reduce inflammation, critical elements in preventing the development and spread of cancer cells.
So a great example of this is in strawberries. Strawberries are sweet and tart, right? And the tart part of a strawberry comes from something called ellagic acid. Ellagic acid is naturally made by the strawberry plant as a natural insecticide, natural pesticide.
Strawberries also offer a significant amount of dietary fiber, enhancing digestion and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Remember, a robust digestive system is essential for efficiently eliminating toxins and waste products, bolstering the body's natural defenses against cancer. In this tropical smoothie, guavas take center stage, bringing their own powerful anti-cancer capabilities. Rich in lycopene, guavas have been linked to a decreased risk of various cancers, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. They are also loaded with vitamin C, which not only boosts immune function, but also protects cells against oxidative damage. As mentioned before, bananas are an excellent addition to any smoothie. They provide natural sweetness, a creamy texture, and essential nutrients that contribute to the overall health benefits of the drink. To create this tropical antioxidant essence smoothie, you'll need half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 seeded and chopped guavas, 1 frozen sliced banana, 1 cup of chopped strawberries, and a tablespoon of pure maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. Start by adding the almond milk, chopped guavas, frozen banana slices, chopped strawberries, and maple syrup to your blender. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy, which should take about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the power of your blender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add a few ice cubes to the mixture before blending. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how your breakfast choices can impact your health, be sure to watch our previous video where we dive into 5 breakfasts that regenerate stem cells and help you live longer.